Hello and welcome to Kenya School of Technology Studies. Now we are going to look at fundamentals of information communication technology, topic and overview of application packages, lesson 13. My name is Jackson, your instructor. Welcome. We are going to continue with part 2 of the spreadsheet. Now let us look at arithmetic formula. When you want to calculate total, this is the formula you are supposed to type. The word that you are the function name that you are supposed to use in that formula for calculating total is sum. In short, every formula must have 4 statements. The first one is equal sign, followed by the function name, brackets, and then ranges. Now the formula for calculating total is equals sum, then open the bracket, type the ranges, and then you close the bracket and press enter. In case you want to calculate average, start again with equal sign, type the word average in full, then open the bracket and then type the ranges and close the bracket and press enter. In case you want to calculate maximum, type equals or equal sign, then max, then open the bracket, type the range of cells, and then you close the bracket. From there, in case you want to calculate minimum, type equal sign, type the word minimum as min, open the brackets, then type the range of cells and close the bracket. The full colon in between the ranges of cell stands for all the other ranges between like cell B3 and B8. Example, that like now after entering the names and also the age, in case you want to calculate total, there in cell number B10, you see how you are supposed to write your formula. You need only to click cell B10 to calculate the age, the ages of, or to calculate the age or the total age of all the people whom you have entered. You need only to click cell B10. Then in that cell, type that formula equals sum, open the bracket, then type cell B2, full colon, then B9, close the bracket, and then press enter, and the total will appear automatically. Now let us look at formatting, font, borders, and shading. In case you want to format your text in any case, just the first thing is to highlight. Then you can right click and click font, and that or you can click and then you go to home button and you click the option button for formatting cells, and that window for format cells will appear even once you highlight and right click and then you click font. This window will appear. Then in this window you need only, in case you want to change the font style or color, or even you need only to click font. In case you want to change the alignment, or maybe to merge cells, or maybe you want to put orientation, you need only to click alignment. So it will depend with the kind of format you want, and then you click the necessary button. Like now, in case you want to either to remove the currency, you need only to click number, and then you click currency. From there you click OK. If maybe your text are appearing with the dollar sign in the beginning or at the end. So here it will depend with what kind of format do you want. Then after doing the necessary, you are supposed to click OK button. Expected result. Now let us assume you have increased, you have formatted your text in a case whereby you have also increased the decimals in your text, especially in that column for age. That is how actually your text will appear. Now hiding a worksheet. When you want to hide a worksheet, just right click it and then click hide, as it is well indicated there. In case you want to unhide either rows or sheet, you need only to point or to highlight the section of rows, and then you right click and then click unhide. Sorting. When you want to sort your data, just highlight the columns you want to sort the data in it, then click home, and then move to sort and filter command button and click, and then from there you can select either you sort by ascending or descending. You click one of them. Filtering. Filtering is separating or extracting some text from the main table. And in case you want to filter your data, just highlight first, either one column or two, then click home, and then move to sort and filter command button, and then click filter. From there, follow the commands and click OK. Merge and center. When you want to join two rows or more than two cells, when you want to join more than two cells in your worksheet, you need only to highlight them, then click command button, home on the menu bar, then move to that command button, shortcut command button for merge and center, and click, and automatically your cells will be merged or will be joined together. From there you can type your text. Or in short, you can highlight the cells you want to merge, then right click and click merge cells. Subtotals. To calculate subtotals, you need only again to use that to highlight your text, and you can also get it automatically by clicking the summation command button on the standard bar, and you get the answer correctly. The first thing you need to do is just to position or to select or click exactly where you want your text to appear, your total to appear, and then you click summation button on the standard bar, and automatically your text will appear, or the total will appear after pressing the enter key. That is how it will appear when you follow now the long method. You need only meaning now, therefore you need only to click the data, and then you can go to filter, and from there you click exactly where you want to get your subtotals, and from there you click OK. Now, in case you want to print your worksheet, where now your data is, you need only to click the Office command button, then move to Print, and then click Print. That is how the print window will appear. In this window you can increase, maybe you are in need of more than one copies, so you can increase in that section for number of copies, and then finally you can click OK. Now when you want to close MS Excel, click Office button, then move to Close Option button and click, and automatically it will be closed. There marks the end of lesson 13, topic